This is the AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge. It comes in this nice orange box. Open it up. We got some instructions, and this is the device. If you notice, it's got these nice little grooves that fit good for your fingers. It also takes 2 AAA batteries in this battery compartment there. See those? This is a button that turns it on. If you notice, there's a lighted display, gives you your readout there, and also a lighted connection where you put it on the tire stem. So let's go try it out. Very, very simple to use. So we're going to turn it on. There you go. Just press this nozzle onto the tire stem till it seals, and we take our reading. So these tires should be at 35 psi, so I will put some air in there. The device will shut off automatically, but if you want to shut it off sooner, you just hold it for 3 seconds and it goes off. And that's it. The AstroAI, a very simple, handy device.